Hi, I'm here at the Acer event in New York City showing off the new Acer Chromebook Spin 13. This is not the little 11-inch plastic Chromebook that you might remember. This Chromebook has an all-metal chassis. It has a 360-degree hinge, so you can use it like a tablet. So as you might know, it does have a touch screen, and this is a really nice touch screen. It has a 3:2 aspect ratio and a resolution of about 2205 by 1504. It also has an integrated pen, which fits in right there. And it also has a touchpad made with Corning Gorilla Glass, and it is as smooth as butter. This is also the first Chromebook to have an Intel Core i5 processor, which is a lot of power for a system like this. It does not have discrete graphics, it just has an Intel UHD 620, but still, this is going to be able to handle a bit more than your typical Chromebook. It also comes with the usual eMMC memory. I think it starts at 16 gigabytes and goes up from there. So again, with this Chromebook, you're getting a lot more power and some other features that you don't see in a lot of other Chromebooks. We don't know the price yet, but it was just announced today.